Hello, everyone. Is I'm audible to you all?
Yes.
Okay, thank you.
Yes, it's audible.
Okay.
And a small request from my side. By the
Yeah.
way, I'm Spandana.
Hi,
And
dear.
is there any option to have this class completely in English? Can you please ask
Uh,
other members also? Because
uh,
I am not 100% okay with the Hindi language, so that's my concern about this class. That's all. Thank you.
okay, you're welcome, dear. But the notes, PPT, and everything is in English. So I do have a students which are more comfortable in the Hindi language, as like 2, 3 members are already there. So it's not so difficult you to understand. But I will try to explain everything in Hindi and English both.
Okay, it will be not 100% in Hindi, right?
No, no, it will not. It will not. Definitely not. People are more comfortable in English.
Then okay. And if I'm unable to understand the language Hindi, I mean some particular topic, shall I ask you immediately or else shall I ask you later?
Please drop a message or in a chat box, so it
Yeah,
will be
okay.
more comfortable.
Sure, sure. Thank you.
Okay, so we have a lot many people already in the session. Welcome you all in the Dharma Science family. How are you all?
Good, doing good.
For introduction part, you can on your mics. That's not a problem. Later on, I will mute you all.
Hi, I'm
Hello,
Kiran
dear.
Kosuja.
Hi,
I am
dear.
a face yoga instructor.
Okay.
Yeah, thank you.
Okay, you're welcome, dear. Okay, is it possible for you guys to switch on your camera till introduction part? So it will be grateful. So we will know each other betterly.
Yeah.
Okay, I will see the messages on a chat box later on. Firstly, we have a lot many students in the session, so it's not possible to take a intro from everyone. But I just want to know whosoever is very new to this topic, have never attended any session and have never prepared anything in professional cosmetics, just raise your hand. So I just know the things.
Ma'am, I am there. I'm Vandana Gupta. I've never attended, nor do I know anything about it.
Okay, and the purpose you have joined this session?
Just as a hobby to prepare things for myself,
Okay, fine.
not as a
And I'm
profession.
here,
Mm-hmm.
and I'm here that I just want to start my own business. So I don't know anything about. I'm just the basic from here only.
Okay. I just request you, please raise your hand. I will ask you to give the introduction. Otherwise, it will be very hassle to everyone. Okay. So where we were, someone was giving details. Who was it? Okay. Never mind. Yeah, Monica ji.
I have not attended any workshop right till now, and just I want to start my this business.
Okay.
So I started with soaps and all soap making and all,
Okay.
and then I want to establish it.
Okay. So you are already preparing soaps and everything?
Yeah,
Okay, great.
I'm putting up an exhibition on 20th of March in Punjab.
Okay, great.
So that's why I thought it's a good opportunity to.
Definitely it will be.
Mm.
Okay. Divya,
Hi,
hello.
I was a traveler. I did solo traveling across India. So I just wanted to do this and learn for my own skin. And probably if it goes well with my own skin, I'll probably try to build it as a business for myself.
Okay. Where are you from?
I'm from Tamil Nadu, but I'm right now staying in Manali, Himachal.
Okay, fine. Is the voices breaking up or not audible to everyone, or is it happening with the PLG only?
No, your voice is clear. You are clearly audible.
Okay, thank you. Okay. Lakshi ji, if I'm not wrong, you already attended a hair care session as well.
Yes, ma'am.
So
Yes.
you
ma'am.
are not new.
No, but I am new in this cream and lotion.
Cream and lotion, but you already part of this cosmetic industry.
Okay, yeah.
Okay. So who else is there?
Hi.
I am attending this session for business purpose.
Okay, for business purpose. Okay. Yeah. Who is
I'm
logged
Preeti.
in?
I'm Preeti from Tamil Nadu.
Yeah, Preeti.
I am new to this session. I've already attended your hair care, but I was not actually present that day. But today I want to continue with skin.
Okay, okay.
Hi, Ji. Hello, I'm Shipra from Ujjain.
Hi, Shipra.
And I'm also new to this session.
Okay, and the purpose you joined this?
It's my hobby, actually.
Okay, so you want to use the session for your self purpose.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay.
My name is Kashish and I'm a skincare blogger and I'm doing this because I want to start my own business.
Okay. Blogger in the sense what you do basically?
I review products.
You review products on which platform?
Instagram.
Instagram. Okay, fine. And you are doing this for self purpose and then for the business.
Right.
Okay. Okay. Yeah, June. June. Is I'm pronouncing your name right? June Rose. She maybe have some network issue. Okay.
Yes,
who is logged in with 1907?
Yes, you're pronouncing it right.
Yes, Anna, I'll come to you. Don't worry. Who is logged in with 1907? We have a lot to cover. So if you will not answer me, I'll switch it to next person.
Shipra 1907.
Okay, you already given
I'm
the...
1907.
Okay, fine, dear. Okay. Divya is done. Who is logged in with iPhone?
Myself, Preeti.
Okay, you also given the description. Kirtuga?
Myself, Anjana.
Yeah, Anjana, I'll come to you.
Yeah.
Hi, I'm Kritika from Tamil Nadu. This is my first class with Derma Science.
Okay, and the purpose you joined the session?
For my personal care, personal skincare.
Okay, you are not into something for the preparation of cosmetics for professional use, right?
Yes.
Okay, yeah. The person who is left with Sahana, I guess, na? Yeah, Sahana.
Hi.
Hello.
Hope everyone are doing good. And I have a 3-month-old baby, and he sleeps around 12 o'clock to 3 o'clock. And this is my passion to learn from so many years.
Okay.
And this is the right time, is what I felt. And thanks to you too, have given me a chance to learn.
Thank you so much.
So here I am to learn and to start my business also into this, and self-care, because I have a lot of acne and use lot of products. So I thought of, why can't I try self and to know about the products and then many more.
Okay, are you preparing anything in cosmetics now?
No, currently I'm not preparing anything. I just buy a lot of products and tested on myself, and it didn't work. I have a lot of acne and I understand, like post pregnancy, postpartum, many of them will suffer from acne issues and everything. So I have to learn this and help many of them for this things too.
Okay, got it. Good deal. Okay, who else is left who wants to say and new? Done with the new people?
हेलो
Yeah.
आई एम हरवीन.
Hi, Harveen.
मैं एक्चुअली सोप बिजनेस में हूँ, अभी स्टार्ट किया लास्ट ईयर मैंने.
Okay.
तो मैं कुछ और भी आगे अपना इसको बढ़ाना चाह रही थी.
Okay, just give me a second. Just give me. Please, guys, don't unmute yourself if you are not in a conversation. Please mute yourself. Only the person unmute who is giving or having a conversation with me. Yeah, please continue, dear.
हाँ जी, तो मैं इसको और आगे बढ़ाना चाह रही थी कि मैं आगे कुछ और सीखूं और अपने ऊपर भी ट्राई करूं और मैं आगे भी लोगों की हेल्प भी करूं इससे.
Okay, okay. Till now you are only making a soaps, right?
हाँ जी, beauty soaps.
Okay, great. Yeah, Anjana ji. Is done with everyone?
Hello.
Yes, dear.
I'm Ria.
Yeah, hi, dear.
I'm from Kerala. I just wanted to know about these soaps because my son has got some issues with the skin. So any product I buy from outside is not suiting him. So I thought when I learned about your class, I thought I'll just attend to it and see if it will be helpful for him.
Okay, fine. Okay. Yes, Anita ji.
Hello, ma'am.
Hi,
I'm
dear.
Anita from Mumbai. Ma'am, actually, I'm already into Ayurvedic business. Not actually business, but it's my passion to make Ayurvedic medicines and all. But actually, what is the problem? It is not it is not without preservative. I can't make any product. शेल्फ लाइफ बहुत कम हो जाती है ना, तो मुझे एक्चुअली ना सिर्फ प्रिजर्वेटिव से रिलेटेड सीखना था कि मतलब विथ नेचुरल प्रिजर्वेटिव हाउ कैन आई मेक इट मोर ड्यूरेबल.
Yeah. Okay.
Thank you.
Ji. Sunita ji. Okay, so I will see the chats and like to know more about you people, but as we have a lot many things to cover, so it's not possible to have a conversation with everyone, but I'll definitely do in the end of the session or at the last day of the session. Now, a short description about me. My name is Dimple. I am a naturopath. In naturopath, we do learn to treat our people with the natural things related to skin, related to hairs, related to body, related to internal part of the bodies as well, like diseases which we do have commonly. Okay, so we do learn to treat people with the natural things which we get from the nature. Apart from this, by keeping this in mind, I started my YouTube channel with the name of Derma Science only. If you have gone through with that, you will come to know that that's the platform where you will get the knowledge about the natural ingredients, nothing hit and trial. Everything is tested and learned by the and certified basically. After that, we are welcoming our resellers as well on our Instagram page for the refined and furnished products. Okay, in this session it will be helpful for everyone. If you are very new to this, if you are using it for personal self purpose or for your family people, if you want to start your business, then too it's very helpful for you. If you want to grow your business, then too it's helpful for you. What I do mainly focus in my session, rather than giving you just a formulation and the demonstration, I always do prefer to give you a correct knowledge of ingredients, so that if the person or your client comes to you, so you come to know what's the exact problem she or he is facing, and with your preparation of creams and lotion, you will give the correct solution to them. Okay, so we will learn a theory part today only. Tomorrow we will learn a theory and some demonstrations as well, but today we only have a theory part. I know it's difficult to go through with the theory for 1.5 hours and listen me continuously, but definitely if you guys do that, so it will be more beneficial for you for a long time purpose. Okay, so I hope you all guys are excited to start, is it?
Yeah, madam.
Yes.
There are so many students, but still only 2 to 3 people have an energetic. Okay, had breakfast, everyone?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay, okay. Priyal, do you want to say something? Okay, now I'm requesting you all, please don't unmute yourself. If you guys have any doubts, please drop in a chat box. If I'll ask you something again, please write it in a chat box. I will unmute you and then you can speak it out. Otherwise, it will be hassle for everyone and create so much noise because I already put it this headphones. Okay, now I'm sharing you a screen. We will learn the ingredients knowledge today, and then later on we will come to the different things. Please don't unmute yourself, guys.
Madam, do you need us to have a pen or something like that with us, or else you provide the PDF?
I will give you that, but for your reference you can keep it. That's not a problem.
Okay.
Okay, guys. So many of you already are a part of Derma Science family. Many of you are new as well. So I hope you all guys have a great journey with me. Maybe quite boring as well because it's a theory, but I will try to give a great information and good information to you guys. Okay. If I'm not wrong, lotion, creams and body butters are very common, and at least for once we have used it, right? So what you guys face a difference in between lotion, creams and body butters related to packaging, related to texture, how it looks, whatever difference you do feel, please write it in a chat box. जो भी आपको lotion, क्रीम और बॉडी बटर कभी ना कभी किसी ने एक बार यूज जरूर किया होगा, जो भी आपको डिफरेंस लगता है उसकी पैकेजिंग से रिलेटेड, उसके टेक्सचर से रिलेटेड, कैसे बना होगा, वो एक बार मुझे चैट बॉक्स में लिख के बताओ. व्हाट यू फील अ डिफरेंस इन बिटवीन ऑल दीज. Texture is different is not an answer. What's the texture? What do you feel? Texture is obviously different because they three have a different names. Okay, great. Lotion is more liquidy while butters are thick. Lotion are tough for packaging but easy to apply. Okay. Texture is not greasy. Kiska texture is not greasy? Body butter is more smooth and costly than others. Lotions are less oily and less viscous. Body butters are very moisturizers and must good for body. Butters are thick. Butters are more creamy than body lotions. Creams are thin. Lotions water and for body. Okay. Okay, I've gone through it. Firstly, before going to the difference in all three, I want to clear a very, very, very big doubt of you guys about chemicals. So without chemicals, we can't prepare our cosmetics. So it's very true. If we are not adding even a preservative, so we do need to add emulsifiers. We do have so many waxes. We are adding even so many items or ingredients for the whitening purpose or whatever we are using, having a chemicals. But be clear, we have two different types of chemicals. One is synthetic chemical and the second one is skin friendly and eco-friendly, which is certified chemicals to use, which are safe to use on our skin. So I'm not going to add any preservative in the session, but preservatives or whatever I am telling you, I am going to taught you will be natural chemicals. That's not a synthetic chemical. Synthetic chemicals are harmful for skin and our body, and makes unhealthy to our body as well. But what we are adding, what we are going to add, what we are going to learn is a natural chemicals and not having any problem to use till the consistency I am going to tell you. If you are increasing the consistency and you are using for a longer period of time, then definitely it will harm you. Okay, so don't be confused. We have two different types of chemicals, synthetic and natural. Synthetic is harmful for our body. We are not going to use that, but we are going to use a natural chemicals which are eco-certified and very safe to use in our skin. So don't be worried about that we are using a chemicals, because even in our vegetables, if we are preparing a food in our home, we are adding a chemicals into it. So nothing is possible without a chemical. Just we make a difference in between synthetic and natural. So natural chemicals हम यूज कर सकते हैं अपने प्रिपरेशन में, बट जो सिंथेटिक केमिकल्स होते हैं वो हम यूज नहीं कर सकते. लॉन्गर पीरियड ऑफ टाइम उन्हें यूज करने से हमारी बॉडी को हार्म हो सकता है. सो इसमें कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है कि हम केमिकल्स यूज कर रहे हैं, लेकिन इस सेशन में हम प्रिजर्वेटिव्स यूज नहीं करने वाले हैं. कैसे करना है नहीं करना है वो भी मैं आपको बताऊंगी. नाउ कमिंग टू द डिफरेंस इन ऑल दीज थ्री. So lotion, body butters and chemicals में क्या difference होता है? You people are very much right. Yes, the lotion is more liquidy in texture. Body butter is very good in moisturizers. Yes, body butter is expensive than lotions, and all these things which you have written in a chat box is quite correct. Now let's see a difference in all these three. Okay, firstly, lotion tend to have higher water content. As you guys said, in lotion we do add more percentage of water, less oil and body butter. Secondly, yes, it is easier to apply because it's very thin in consistency, easily absorbable in body. Why? Because water is very easily absorbable in body and lotion is having a higher percentage of water. Lightweight and non-greasy. Again, it's because it is having a water in great percentage. That's why it's not it's non-greasy, because oil in this is not in very high percentage. Lastly, mainly available in a tube form. Don't be judgmental with the packaging. It's a common packaging we do find in the market for lotion. We mainly find a lotion in a tube form. So just wait, I'll mute you. ओके, सो सबसे पहला पॉइंट, लोशन में पानी ज्यादा डलता है, ऑयल कम होता है, बॉडी बटर कम होता है, जिसकी वजह से हमारी बॉडी में इजीली एब्जॉर्बल होता है, क्योंकि उसमें पानी ज्यादा होता है. पानी हमारी स्किन में बहुत इजीली पेनिट्रेट हो जाता है. प्रीति जी प्लीज म्यूट योरसेल्फ. इट्स लाइट वेट एंड नॉन ग्रीसी. अगर ऑयल और बॉडी बटर की परसेंटेज इसमें कम होगी तो डेफिनेटली ये ग्रीसी नहीं होगा. लास्टली ट्यूब फॉर्म में अवेलेबल होता है. पैकेजिंग को जज मत करना, जो मेनली हमें पैकेजिंग मार्केट में अवेलेबल होती है. आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट दैट. ओके, सेकेंडली वी हैव अ क्रीम्स हेयर. सो अगेन इन क्रीम्स वी हैव हायर oil and body butter in concentration. It's thick in consistency. It's designed heavier, good for winters, available in plastic and glass jars. So oil और body butter लोशन की परसेंटेज में ज्यादा होता है क्रीम्स में, कंसिस्टेंसी थिक होती है बिकॉज ऑब्वियसली ऑयल और बटर्स की वजह से डिजाइन हेवियर, और क्योंकि इसमें ऑयल और बॉडी बटर्स ज्यादा होते हैं एज कंपेयर टू लोशंस, सो हमें बहुत ज्यादा मॉइस्चराइजेशन प्रोवाइड करता है और हमें ड्राइनेस की प्रॉब्लम सबसे ज्यादा विंटर्स में होती है. दैट्स व्हाई इट इज गुड फॉर विंटर्स. Lastly, it is available in the plastic and glass jars. Preeti ji, I am muting you again and again, and you are unmute yourself again and again. Okay, so
Madam, are you talking about me?
No, Preeti ji.
Okay.
No, that's the Preeti Gupta, I guess. Okay, so it's available in a plastic and glass jars. Mainly the perfect way to serve lotions, creams to our clients is a glass jar, but because of the cost cutting and because of the cheaper price available in the market for the same product, we are giving plastic containers as well as the packaging. We are using it. Okay. Lastly, we have a body butters. Okay, one more thing. Lotions we can use for dry skin and for oily skin, mainly for all skin types. Secondly, creams is also used for all skin types. It can be for dry skin, it can be for normal skin, combination skin, or for oily skin as well. Lastly, we have a body butters. Okay, so body butters is higher in butter concentration. Obviously, we are preparing it with the butter, so definitely we will add a good percentage of butter in it. Second, give intense moisturizer, thick in consistency, available in plastic and glass jars. Okay, can anybody tell me why body butters give intense moisturizer? Because cream is also giving as a good moisturizer, that's why it's good for winters. But why it's specifically written here that body butter is good, give intense moisturizer? Please write it in a chat box. Any logic? We can't expect a very good moisturization from lotions because it is having a more percentage of water. But why body butters are more moisturizer, having a more good moisturizer properties than creams? Okay. Shea cocoa butter, no sense. It forms a coating. No. More glycerin, no. It has more oil content, no. No liquid on the skin, greasy in texture because high content of spam. Please explain what is body butter. Cream butters are thick. I will explain these cream, lotion and body butters as well. Let's go slow. Okay. Me, who is logged in with the name of Meena?
Yeah, madam, myself.
Okay, very good answer because it's not having any liquid in it. That's the correct answer. We are not going to add any water in it. In cream, we are adding oils, body butters and water as well. But body butters are very purest form. We are only adding a oil and body butters while preparing a body butters. Again, as I told you, cream is useful for oily and all skin type purpose, lotion as well. But body butter is only used by the people who is having a dry skin. We can't use a body butters. We can't give the body butters to the person who is having a oily skin. बॉडी बटर्स में हम पानी बिल्कुल भी नहीं डालते हैं. अगर हम पानी नहीं डालते तो बिल्कुल प्योर ऑयल और बॉडी बटर से बनाते हैं, जिसकी वजह से वो बहुत इंटेंस मॉइस्चराइजेशन देता है. और इसी वजह से हम इसे ऑयली स्किन वाले लोगों को नहीं दे सकते हैं. क्रीम्स हम हर स्किन टाइप वाले लोगों को दे सकते हैं, लोशन हम हर स्किन टाइप वाले लोगों को दे सकते हैं, बट बॉडी बटर सिर्फ हम ड्राई स्किन वालों को देंगे. ओके, नाउ it's clear with the difference between body butters, lotions and creams. Now you guys let me know, why do we prefer a homemade products rather than a manufacturing or market products? What mainly the difference we feel in it, and how will you convince your client to go with your products rather than manufacturing products? No chemicals, more customization, natural chemicals, they are chemical free. Okay, don't use this words. People do use it, but it's anyhow is a fake commitment to our client that we are not adding any chemicals into it, or it is a chemical free. There is no cosmetic product which is chemical free. Yes, you need to tell the correct information to your client that it is having a chemicals, but that is certified and safe to use on your skin. We are not adding any synthetic chemicals. Okay, as per skin type and customize. Okay, very good answers, guys. Safe chemicals, less percentage, customized. It is more near to natural things, right? Okay, let's see the differences. First, market products manufactured in big batches and used by different companies with different brand names. What we are guys also doing, we are welcoming resellers in our platform, and maybe some of you also selling a products of some others with your brand name. So it is more happening in a market products because they are selling in a very good amount and very good MOQ. Okay, so they give a contract to a single company. As suppose if the person Garnier and Olay or Pond's, whosoever wants a aging cream, so they will give a contract to me and I will prepare a aging cream and I will sell that cream to Olay as well, to Pond's as well, to Garnier as well. Just they will label it with their names, and because of the name, brand name, we just find a product which is having a good brand name. Okay, otherwise the product, the chemicals, the preparation, the ingredients, everything is same in all three. Okay, so we do find people do have a mindset that if the cream is costly, it is more effective. Okay, and people do go with the brand names, but the what it is actually, it is prepared in a big slots, in a big patches, and sell to different companies, and they do sell with the different brand names. In our industry, in a homemade and natural ingredient, what we are doing, we are also coming to that platform, but we can't sell in that big patches right now. Okay, because we are working from home, we are preparing it from hand, we are not taking any help from any machines or anything. So in market product, we do have a this negative point. Okay, secondly, market products are mainly prepared by synthetic ingredients. Okay, so synthetic ingredients, I hope it is clear here. The synthetic chemicals which is harmful for our skin, they do add a preservative, they do add a color to sustain their products for a longer period of time, to smell good and to increase their effectiveness. That's the reason why we do find, or we do we do found a good results in a very lesser period of time, because it is having a great chemicals in it. Otherwise, when what I do, I always tell my clients in the first stage only that yes, the products will take a time, at least 4 months, 5 months, 6 months. I can't commit that your problem will get resolved in a 1 month, but definitely if it gets resolved, so it will be permanently and it will not come again. Okay, so in this way, you need how synthetic ingredients work. It gives instant and good results, but it is for longer period of time, it is harmful for our body. Lastly, handmade or homemade products gives the individual right to the person to add the product as per the choice. As suppose if your client is having a problem of acne, is also having a oily skin, or is also wants a SPF in it, and so maybe I'll not found a cream which is having all three benefits in a market product. Okay, but while preparing the cream for your clients at home, So you can add the ingredients as per your choice. That is basically we can customize our products. So first मैन्युफैक्चरिंग, जब हम बाहर से प्रोडक्ट्स लेते हैं वो लोग क्या करते हैं, बिग पैचेस में किसी भी कंपनी को अपना स्लॉट दे देते हैं कि एजिंग क्रीम चाहिए या एक्ने क्रीम चाहिए, वॉट एवर इट इज. वो कंपनी बिग स्लॉट्स में विद द हेल्प ऑफ मशीन्स एंड एवरीथिंग बहुत सारे बल्क में अपना क्रीम बनाती है और वो सेल आउट कर देती है डिफरेंट डिफरेंट कंपनीज को. वो प्रोडक्ट सेम होता है, इंग्रेडिएंट सेम होता है, प्रिपरेशन सेम होती है, बस डिफरेंट डिफरेंट कंपनीज अपना ब्रांड नेम का लेबल लगा के वो सेल आउट करती हैं. बिकॉज ऑफ ब्रांड नेम वो पॉपुलर होती हैं. पॉन्ड्स की आपको कम मिल जाएगी, गार्नियर की आपको महंगी मिल जाएगी, बट वही चीज आप महंगी सस्ती ले रहे हो, जो हम भी करना स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं, लेकिन हम इतने बल्क रेट में नहीं कर सकते जितना मार्केट प्रोडक्ट्स में होता है. सेकेंडली अगेन सिंथेटिक इंग्रेडिएंट्स है जो कि हार्मफुल होते हैं हमारी बॉडी के लिए. सिंथेटिक इंग्रेडिएंट्स से हमें रिजल्ट्स बहुत ज्यादा अच्छे मिल जाते हैं और बहुत जल्दी मिल जाते हैं, लेकिन अगर आप नेचुरल और होममेड इंग्रेडिएंट्स यूज कर रहे हो तो आपको अपने क्लाइंट को ये क्लियर करना है कि वो प्रोडक्ट बहुत टाइम ले सकता है लेकिन वो परमानेंट सॉल्यूशन होगा. सिंथेटिक इंग्रेडिएंट्स के साथ अगर आप लॉन्ग टाइम जाओगे तो वो आपकी बॉडी को हार्म करेगा. लास्टली हैंडमेड और होममेड जो प्रोडक्ट्स हैं, अगर हम घर पे बनाते हैं खुद अपने क्लाइंट्स के लिए तो हम कस्टमाइज कर सकते हैं अपने क्लाइंट्स की रिक्वायरमेंट के अकॉर्डिंग. अगर हमारा क्लाइंट बोलता है मैं 2 टाइम क्रीम नहीं लगा सकता, तो हम उसे ऐसी क्रीम बना के दे सकते हैं जो उसको लॉन्ग टाइम पीरियड के लिए मॉइस्चराइजेशन प्रोवाइड करे. लेकिन मार्केट प्रोडक्ट्स में हमारे पास ये चॉइस नहीं होती है. ओके, सो आई होप टिल हियर वी आर क्लियर. नेक्स्ट कमिंग टू द फॉर्मुलेशन ऑफ all three, but
please mute everyone. Some music is coming from behind.
It's coming from my side only. It takes 2 to 3 minutes, I guess. Okay, till now, if you guys have any query, you can write it in a chat box. Clear everything till now? Okay, so now coming to the formulation part. In formulation, this is not a correct formulation which I am showing you. It's just the basic formulation by which we can't prepare our lotion, creams or body butter. Okay, what you guys think for lotion we must or mandatory ingredients are? What are the mandatory ingredients you feel for the lotion preparation? No answer. Essential oils. Okay. What are the mandatory ingredients by which we can't prepare our lotions? Oils, distilled water, emulsifier, and essential oils. Oils and butters. Water, oils, butters. Okay, so first one is essential oils. We can prepare a product without essential oils. Oils, distilled water, emulsifier, and essential oils. Okay, again, without essential oil, we can prepare our products. Oil and butters, okay. Water, oils, EVX, okay. Glycerin, without glycerin, even we can prepare our products. Water, oils, butters, okay. Water and fragrance. Without fragrance, we can prepare our products. Oil, butter, water, emulsifier, okay. So for the preparation of lotion, we must require water, we must require oil. So water and oil is having a property that they can't mix together. So to bind it together, to mix them together, we need some agent that we called a emulsification agent, which helps oil and water to blend it together. For emulsification, we do use a emulsifying wax, and we do have a lot many other things as well for emulsification, which I'll tell you or will let you know later on. But firstly, oil is mandatory, water is mandatory, and to bind them together we need something which is called a emulsification agent. Okay, and lastly we say preservatives. Okay, so what's the basic formulation we do find for lotion? That is water, oil, emulsifier, and a preservative. The same is the formulation for cream as well. If I'll talk about the body butters, so in body butters we don't add water. Okay, so if we are not adding a water into a body butter, so we don't need to mix oil and water together. So that's why we are not using any emulsifier here. Butter, carrier oil, and preservative is the mandatory thing which we do need to use for body butters preparation. अगर हमें लोशन और क्रीम प्रिपेयर करना है तो सबसे जरूरी चीज जिसके बिना लोशन क्रीम्स नहीं बन सकते वो है वाटर. पानी की जरूरत होती है, ऑयल की जरूरत होती है. पानी और तेल कभी मिक्स नहीं होता आपस में, इसीलिए उन्हें मिक्स करने के लिए, उन्हें ब्लेंड करने के लिए एक एजेंट, एक ऐसा प्रोडक्ट हमें चाहिए होता है जो उन्हें मिक्स कर सके, जिसे हम इमल्सिफायर बोलते हैं, इमल्सिफिकेशन एजेंट. अब इमल्सिफायर बहुत सारे होते हैं, कौन सा यूज करना है दैट आई विल लेट यू नो. लास्टली प्रिजर्वेटिव. बॉडी बटर्स में हम पानी नहीं यूज करते हैं, एज आई टोल्ड यू. अगर हम पानी नहीं डाल रहे हैं तो हमें ऑयल को पानी के साथ मिक्स करने की भी जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगी, इसीलिए हम यहाँ पे इमल्सिफायर यूज नहीं कर रहे. तो बॉडी बटर का फॉर्मुलेशन बहुत इजी होता है. जस्ट वी नीड टू यूज बटर्स, कैरियर ऑयल्स, एंड लास्टली प्रिजर्वेटिव्स. डन? क्लियर? ओके. Now we have a main formulation for lotions. What do you guys think? As we already discussed that according to creams, the lotion is having a more percentage of water, less oil, and in creams we have more oils and body butters and less water as comparison to lotion. But अगर हम इन दोनों की बात करें तो पानी, water is always in higher percentage even in lotion and creams. But if we are comparing in lotion and cream, then in lotion we have a great percentage of water instead of creams. How? I will let you know. Okay, for the preparation of lotions, what we do need and in how many percentage? Firstly, for the liquid part, we do need water, or we can take a aloe vera juice or aloe vera gel as well. Secondly, we need a stearic acid that works as a thickener. Why stearic acid? Because in lotion we do add more percentage of water. Because of that, the lotion is very thin in consistency. So give it a great consistency, we do add a stearic acid. Next, for emulsification, we are using here emulsifying wax to bind our water and oil together. Next, butters and carrier oils. Next, fragrance, and lastly, preservatives. So in this way, we will going to prepare our lotion. The percentage is already returned here. Fragrance and preservative is always same for lotion, for creams, and for body butter. So it's very easy to remember the quantity of fragrance and preservative. Fragrance is always a 0.5 to 1%. Preservative is always a 0.1 to 0.5%. Okay, now coming to one thing, butters and carrier oils is written 30%. Okay, so if I'm taking a 30% of oils and butters, so it means all together I need to take a 30%. It's not like that if only single oil of 30%, only single butter of 30%. In the combination of oil, butter, it's totally depends upon you how many oils you are using, how many butters you are using. But in total, it should be 30, not more than that. So if I'm taking a 2 butters and 3 carrier oils, so total of all these 5, the percent should be 30 only, not individually. Okay, so as you can see in here, water is in very high percentage, that is 65 to 80%. Steric is 3 to 6%. Emulsification agent is a 3 to 6%. Butter carrier oils is 6 to 30%. Fragrance is 0.5 to 1%. Preservative है 0.1 to 0.5%. अगर betters और carrier oils यहाँ पे 30% लिखा है 6 to 30% तक, it means आपको in total आप कितने भी oils, कितने भी butters अपने cream, lotion और body butters की preparation में डाल सकते हो, लेकिन in total आपका percentage 30 होना चाहिए. अगर आप एक कैरियर ऑयल डाल रहे हो तो 30%, अगर आप 2 कैरियर ऑयल डाल रहे हो तो 15-15 डिवाइड करो, 20-10 डिवाइड करो, 25-5 डिवाइड करो. आपके ऊपर है, आपकी क्लाइंट की प्रॉब्लम के ऊपर है कि कौन सा ऑयल कितना ज्यादा इफेक्टिव है, बट इन टोटल इट शुड बी 30%. बटर्स भी ऐड करने हैं. सो इफ यू आर टेकिंग 2 butters and 2 carrier oils, again it depends upon you. You can divide all 4 in an equal proportion, or as per your client's choice you can increase and decrease the proportion of your carriers and butter oils, but it should not exceed the percentage of 30. I will let you know how do we need to use essential oils. I will let you know what is carrier oils, what are body butters, everything I'll let you know. Okay, so is someone is having a problem to do a calculation here? So I'll explain how do we need to calculate. See, for 100 gram, if suppose we are preparing 100 gram of lotion for our client, so for if I decided water is always calculated lastly. Okay, so if I'm taking butters, if suppose 15% for my lotion, 15% of 100 gram is 15, that is 15 divided by 100 into 100, so we are left with the 15. So 15 ml of butters or carrier oils we need to take. Emulsifying wax, if suppose I'm taking a 5%, so it will be 5 gram. Stearic acid, if I'm taking a 4%, so it is a 4 gram. So in total, it is 15 of butter carrier oil, emulsifying wax 5, so it's come to 20. If I'm talking about stearic acid 4%, so again it's 24. Now I'm adding fragrance and preservative 0.5 percentage, that is total. If I'll total in both, so it's 1 gram. So in total, I'll come to 15 and 5, 20, 20 and 4, 24 and 1, 25. So in 100 gram, we are already completed with the 25 gram of quantity. Now we are left with 75. Okay, so here we will add a 75 ml of water in our lotion preparation while we are preparing a lotion. Okay, so in this way, water is always calculated lastly. If I'll talk about the 200 gram, so how much for 3% of stearic acid for 200 gram cream lotion, sorry. 3% stearic acid for 200 gram is 200 gram of product is, no, not 20 gram. Can we increase butters to 20 gram? Stearic acid, dear, is a thickener which gives a thick consistency to our product. गाढ़ा कर देता है हमारे लोशन को थोड़ा सा. Yeah, 6 gram. So you either can calculate like 3 divided by 100 into 200, or simply if we calculate for 100 grams, it comes as it is, like 3% is 3 grams, 6% is 6 gram. For 200 gram, you need to just make it total. Can we increase butter to 20 gram? It's totally up to your choice. If you are taking one butter and one carrier oil, so you can add 20 gram of butter and 10 gram of carrier oil. Totally depends upon you, but it should not exceed a 30%. Water or aloe vera gel. We can't use both the things. We need to use only single thing as a liquid part, either water or a aloe vera gel.
मैम आप ये बताओ कि आप इतने सारे वो स्टैट्स दे रहे हो, तो हमको पीडीएफ में दोगे कि नहीं दोगे?
Ma'am, as I told you, everything, the PPT, the PDF notes will be given to you after the session.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Okay. Till here, is it clear?
तो मैम ये जो एसेंशियल ऑयल्स और जो आप प्रिजर्वेटिव्स और स्टेरिक एसिड वगैरह बोल रहे हो, ये भी बताओगे कि हमको कहाँ से मार्केट में से लेने हैं, कैसे लेने हैं, बाय करने हैं?
लिस्ट आपको एंड ऑफ द डे सेशन की मिल जाएगी, प्रोडक्ट लिस्ट.
ओके ओके, थैंक यू.
Can RO water be used? Yes, dear, we can use a RO water, but keep the things in mind. If we are using a totally natural things, na, so it will decrease the shelf life of your product. So always recommended use distilled water. RO water you can use, but it will decrease the shelf life of your product. Okay. So it's a very big doubt of everyone regarding the aloe vera gel. Dear, the aloe vera plant we have in our home is not a aloe vera gel at all. People do take out the pulp from aloe vera and they call we have added a aloe vera gel. It's not a aloe vera gel. A gel preparation is something else. When we are preparing a gel, so we are adding a aloe vera pulp to give the extract. Okay, the preparation of gel is something else. We are just adding a aloe vera pulp for the keep making it name with the aloe vera gel. If we are preparing a saffron gel, so we are adding a saffron into our gel. That's why we are calling it a saffron gel. If we are adding a aloe vera pulp into our gel, that's why we are calling it a aloe vera gel. Aloe vera plant is not a aloe vera gel. It's something else. Soonly I am arranging a session for the gel making, so you can learn from there.
मैम प्लीज थोड़ी हिंदी में डिस्क्राइब कीजिए.
मैम अभी तक तो मैंने सब हिंदी में एक्सप्लेन किया है. ये पार्ट एक बार कंप्लीट हो जाए, so I'll explain how to make the proper butters and all for our because there are many products in the market, right? Spandana, I'll give you the product list. We do provide the products to our students so that you can prepare a good quality of products for your students. Okay, and how you need to choose the butters and oils, for that right now we will go with the theory of the ingredients as well, so there you will come to know. Okay, so अब यहाँ पे हमारे लोशन की प्रिपरेशन हो रही है. लोशन की प्रिपरेशन करने के लिए वाटर, एलोवेरा जेल हम ऑब्वियसली हमें सबसे ज्यादा चाहिए. लोशन में हम पानी ज्यादा डालते हैं. एलोवेरा जेल और एलोवेरा जूस और एलोवेरा प्लांट में बहुत फर्क होता है. एक तरीके से जेल बनाया जाता है, वो एक कॉमन जेल होता है जिसे हम कैरियर जेल बोलते हैं, जिसमें कोई खुशबू नहीं होती है, जिसमें कोई कलर नहीं होता है. उस जेल के अंदर अगर हम एलोवेरा पल्प डाल देते हैं तब वो एलोवेरा जेल बनता है. अगर हम सैफरन डाल देते हैं तो वो सैफरन जेल बन जाता है. रेड वाइन डाल देते हैं तो रेड वाइन जेल बन जाता है. खाली एलोवेरा पल्प जेल नहीं होता, वो एक जेल में मिक्स किया जाता है उसका एक्सट्रैक्ट. ओके, सो यहाँ पे आप या तो वाटर लोगे या फिर एलोवेरा जेल लोगे. परसेंटेज के लिए 65 से 80% होना चाहिए. स्टेरिक एसिड का काम होता है आपके लोशन में, क्योंकि पानी ज्यादा होता है तो वो बहुत पतला होता है, उसको हमें थिक करने की जरूरत है, इसलिए हम 3 to 6% यहाँ पे थिकनर ऐड करेंगे. इमल्सिफाइंग वैक्स क्या काम करती है? हमारे पानी और तेल को मिक्स करने के काम करती है, क्योंकि वो मिक्स नहीं हो सकते, तो उन्हें ब्लेंड करने के लिए हमें इमल्शन एजेंट चाहिए होता है. इमल्शन एजेंट के रूप में हम यहाँ पे इमल्सिफाइंग वैक्स यूज करेंगे 3 to 6%. बटर्स और कैरियर ऑयल्स ऑल टुगेदर मिला के कितने भी बटर्स डालो, कितने भी कैरियर ऑयल्स डालो, टोटल आप 6 से 30% के बीच में डाल सकते हो. फ्रेग्रेंस 0.5 to 1% होनी चाहिए, प्रिजर्वेटिव 0.1 to 0.5% होनी चाहिए। फ्रेग्रेंस और प्रिजर्वेटिव्स हर किसी में सेम रहता है, चाहे वो बॉडी बटर हो चाहे वो आपका क्रीम हो। नाउ ओके, अगर आप जब भी कैलकुलेट कर रहे हो अपने लोशन प्रिपरेशन के लिए, सो आप बाकी सारी चीजें कैलकुलेट कर लोगे और जितना आप क्वांटिटी में लेफ्ट रह जाएगी आपकी, उतना आप पानी और लिक्विड पार्ट उसमें डालोगे। पहले आप बटर्स, कैरियर ऑयल्स, फ्रेग्रेंस, प्रिजर्वेटिव, इमल्सिफाइंग वैक्स, स्टेरिक एसिड, ये सब मेजर कर लोगे कितना कितना आपको डालना है, आपके क्लाइंट की क्या प्रॉब्लम है, कौन सा कैरियर ऑयल जाएगा, कौन सा बॉडी बटर जाएगा, 2 जाएंगे 4 जाएंगे। इन टोटल जब आप इसमें आ जाओ, अगर आप 100 ग्राम बना रहे हो तो आप जितने भी क्वांटिटी में लेफ्ट हो, 30 ग्राम ऑक्यूपाइड है तो 70 ग्राम लेफ्ट हो तो 70 ml आप उसमें पानी या फिर एलोवेरा जेल उसमें ऐड करोगे। ओके, नाउ कमिंग टू दी cream preparation. Okay, so in cream, firstly, as I told you, if I'll compare to lotion, the water or liquid part is lesser in cream, but water is always higher in consistency. How? If you remember, in lotion we are adding 65 to 80% of water, but in creams we are adding 40 to 60%. If I'll comparing it with lotion, so definitely it is lesser. But if I'll comparing it with carrier oils, again butters and carrier oils are 20 to 35%, but water is 40 to 60%. Okay, again it is higher in consistency if we are preparing a cream, if comparing to butters and carrier oils, but comparing to lotions the water consistency is lesser. Okay, so because we are adding good amount of butters and carrier oils in it, so we are not going to add any stearic acid into it. We don't need any thickener. You can add, that's totally up to your choice, but without that as well we can prepare a cream with a good consistency and with good texture. Fragrance and preservative, again as I told you, it's a same proportion. For fragrance it is 0.5 to 1%. For preservative it is 0.1 to 0.5%, not even a 1%. Okay, so emulsifying wax, again we need to use for water and to mix water and carrier oils all together. Same, if you are adding 2, 4, 5, any number of carrier oils, it should not exceed 20 to 35%. Okay, now for fragrance, you can use a fragrance oil. Again, fragrance oil also come in a skin friendly texture, or we can say in a natural texture, but the more purest form is a essential oil. But I will not suggest you to use an essential oil till you will not get a knowledge about that. Okay, because essential oil is a very big topic, and with the help of only essential oil we can treat a lot many skin problems, lot many hair problems, and as well as health problems. So it's a very big and vast topic. However, I will let you know for which problem which essential oil is helpful and how much percentage we need to use it. So you can use a essential oil as well for fragrance, and you will use a fragrance oil as well. Okay, in body butters, what you guys think? What all we do need to prepare a body butters? Yeah, carrier oil we can add more than 2 and 3. Okay, in body butter, what you guys think we do need to add? I guess it's right. It's for lotion and this is for cream. Okay, now for coming, okay, for body butters and carrier oil, very good. Butter, oil and preservative, shea and cocoa butter, butters, oil, preservatives. Very good. Okay, so we are not going to add any water into it. So the formulation of body butter is very easy. Carrier oils, body butters, preservative, and fragrance. So butters 40 to 50%, carrier oils again 40 to 50%, For fragrance, we will take 0.1 to 1%, same as like lotion and creams. Preservative here is 0.1 to 0.5%. बॉडी बटर्स में पानी नहीं डलता, सिर्फ कैरियर ऑयल्स और बटर्स हम यूज करेंगे जो 40 to 50% होगा. फ्रेग्रेंस और प्रिजर्वेटिव सेम रहेगा जैसे लोशन और क्रीम में रहता है. फ्रेग्रेंस 0.5 to 1% और प्रिजर्वेटिव 0.1 to 0.5%. परसेंटेज अगर आप कभी भी 100 ग्राम प्रोडक्ट बना रहे हो और आपने डिसाइड किया 40% डालने का, तो 100 ग्राम का 40% हमेशा 40 ही होगा. अगर आप 200 ग्राम का 40% निकाल रहे हो तो जस्ट डबल कर दो, क्योंकि 100 का डबल 200 क्या है, तो हम उसका 40 का 80 कर देंगे, तो 80 ग्राम आपका टोटल आ जाएगा. Why to add preservative when it doesn't contain any water content? See, butters, carrier oils is also a natural product. So as I told you, जितना भी हम natural products के contact में ज़्यादा आएंगे, if we are adding a good percentage of natural ingredients in our product, so we need to add a preservative. However, I'm not telling you to add. Even without a preservative, our product sustain for a 1 year at least. So when I'm showing you the demonstration, I'm not going to add any preservative. So without preservative, even our product sustain for a 1 year. But however, if you are adding a natural products, a natural herbs or any natural kind of product, totally natural, so you need to add a preservative, because natural ingredients decrease the shelf life of our products. As well, if you want to increase the shelf life of your product, so you need to guide your clients that they need to keep the products away from a water. Even a single drop of water can damage or harm your product. Okay, so once you give it to your client, or if you are preparing for yourself, don't keep it in a washroom or some other places where it get in contact with the water. Keep it in a dry place so that it will sustain for a longer period of time. This totally depends on the butters and carrier oils productions as well. Without preservatives, even we can say the product is having a shelf life of 1 year, but you need to guide your clients so they keep the products away from a water. If the water gets in contact with your product, so it will definitely get damaged. With preservative, it's totally double, 2 years. These all products have a pH as per the skin only, skin texture. Till now, is everything clear, guys? Okay, now you guys can unmute yourself, because I need to know, are you getting the things or not, or are you getting a bore? Is the things clear till now? If you guys have any doubt, you can clear it. The things we have discussed yet, you can clear the doubts for the things.
मैम एक डेमो चाहते थे कैसे बनाते हैं.
Ma'am, we are learning a theory right now. Once we complete with the theory, उसके बाद हम demonstration भी देखेंगे.
Yeah, hi Dimple, this is Divya. Hello.
Just give me a second. Normal weighing machine you will find in the raw materials list. Please guys, unmute yourself. If you are speaking up, then only please unmute. Oh.
So what are the utensils we will use?
I'll show you in the demonstration what utensils we do need to use.
Is Forest Essential is not using the preservatives?
No.
Ma'am, can you use wax instead of emulsifier?
Wait.
Hello.
Wait. Mute yourself, everyone, and raise your hand. Yeah, Ilakshi ji.
Ma'am, can we use beeswax instead of emulsifier?
The things which I have told you, that is butters, carrier oils, emulsifier, I will let you know what all in these you need to use for emulsifier, for preservatives and everything.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, Kiran.
Hi. Is Forest Essential is not using the preservatives?
No, see, firstly, essential oils is not having any expiry because it's a true form, and secondly, it is not having any ingredients in it. If you find any essential oil with the label of ingredients like so and so ingredients are added in it, like vitamin C, glycerin or whatever, it's a fake product because essential oil is not having anything in it. It's just a pure form. It's like if it is a rose essential oil, so only rose essential oil is added to in it, no other ingredients. For the formulation of essential oil, we don't add anything. It's totally a pure form. We just extract the rose, we take out the oil from it, and it's simply a rose essential oil. So it's not having any expiry, it's not having any other ingredients into it. Okay, Divya, yes.
Yeah, hi. I just wanted
Thank
to know,
you.
is
Welcome.
whipped body butter is different from this body butter? Like
No,
we use the
it's
same body butter and
same.
we just whip it. And we just whip it and
basically body butter is mainly prepared with the whipped preparation only. We use a whisker to prepare a body butter. That's why it's called a whipped body butter.
so in whipped body butter, the ingredients are different or the same?
Same.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay, any other doubts? Yeah, Sahana.
Ma'am, recently I've come up with this product called Organic Chemistry. And they are saying like if you're using our product, you have to use within 6 months. So this means they have not used any preservatives, I guess.
It's not possible without natural chemicals. Even we can't say 6 months to our clients as well.
Yeah, because
if you are preparing a product for your clients, then you must need to add a preservative, whether it is a natural. Okay, but for self-use, if you are preparing it for self-use and for test purpose to see the results, in this sense, you can prepare a product without a preservative. But for selling purpose, we can't sell it without a preservative. If people don't take care of the things, they definitely add a single a drop of water and it will get affected and it will come to you and complain you.
Okay. Sure, ma'am. And I have one doubt, that is, so you have told me that without preservatives, 1 year we can use it. Why so many things outside like no preservative? Why are they doing a fake thing like preservatives? Why such impact on our preservatives? What is bad in preservatives?
I will let you know. I'm coming to the next part is that chemicals only.
Sure.
Okay, why people do that? Because they are not clear with the two different chemicals. That's natural, synthetic. With the name of chemicals, they always think about the synthetic because they don't know about the natural. Okay, so this is your duty. If you are going to start up your business, you need to clear with your clients that it is having a preservative, it is having a chemicals. No such products can be prepared without chemicals or preservative, but it is natural and safe for your skin.
Okay.
In this way, we can change the thinking of people only.
In preservatives also, there be a level like first level preservative, first quality of preservatives, anything like that? Because I have read somewhere like first quality of preservatives will be used.
No.
No? Okay, sure. Thank you.
Welcome. Yeah, Meenaji, it's Preeti, I guess.
Yeah, madam, my doubt was about organic chemistry and you cleared it. I'm okay with it.
Yeah, Ilakshi ji.
मैम लोशन एंड क्रीम में अगर एलोवेरा जेल नहीं यूज करना है, मतलब दूसरा जेल अगर यूज करते हैं तो वहाँ पे एलोवेरा जेल नहीं यूज करना है ना?
Didn't get your question.
सैफरॉन जेल का अगर क्रीम एंड लोशन बनाना है तो एलोवेरा जेल।
एक मिनट, सेफ्रन जेल का आपको लोशन क्रीम क्यों बनाना है? आप अपना लोशन में सेफ्रन डालो ना. Why are you preparing a gel with saffron and then adding to your cream? Instead of that, prepare a cream and add a saffron into it.
Miss, aloe vera gel is compulsory in lotion and.
It's not compulsory. It is rather you can use a water, distilled water, or you can use a aloe vera gel. It's your choice.
Okay, then we can add saffron or any other
natural ingredient you can use. You can name your product by their ingredients, what you are using. You can name your product what the problem is your client is facing. You can name your product as per your choice, and you can add the products as well. But again, I am saying, if you are adding a natural products to your items, so you need to add a preservatives, because natural product decrease the shelf life of your items.
Can I ask a question, ma'am?
Yeah, dear.
Ma'am, as you said, like fragrance is 0.5 to 1%. If we are using one fragrance, then we should use 0.5%.
Right.
That's all.
Okay. Yeah, June Rose.
Yeah, ma'am. I want to ask you, what are the natural preservatives that we can use?
I will let you know.
Okay, thank you.
Okay.
Are these products useful for the babies also, or else only for the adults?
For babies also, but what ingredients we do need to use for babies, while discussing about the ingredients overview, I'll let you know.
And can we use fragrance for the baby skin?
Yes.
Okay. Normally, I used to know that for soap making purpose, fragrance and essential oils are not
essential. Not essential oil. Fragrance you can use.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, just give me a second. Yeah. What about non-greasy and lightweight creams? We will discuss in ingredients overview. In between aloe vera gel and water, always a distilled water.
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Yes, dear.
So, for example, if I have to make turmeric cream, okay. So now, as you mentioned, the percentage of water, emulsifying agents, butters, fragrance, and preservatives. So now I have to make turmeric cream. So I'll have to add turmeric to it. So what will be the percentage of the natural ingredient?
For miscellaneous, always a 1%, up to 1%.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. Now, I cleared the things with the natural chemical and synthetic chemicals. Natural chemicals which we are going to use, we will learn with that, but we need to know how synthetic chemicals mainly works and why the manufacturing companies do add which chemical is for which purpose, how is it harmful, so that if the client comes to you with the cream and tell you that I'm using this cream from this much period of time, so by seeing the ingredients you will come to know is it good or is it harmful for your client. As well, if you are going to buy a cream for yourself as well, so by seeing the ingredients you will come to know which chemicals are there, is it synthetic or not, or harmful or not.
Ma'am, can I ask the question?
Yes, dear.
Ma'am, now skins are of different types and every person has a different skin. आप अपनी तरफ से तो अच्छा प्रोडक्ट प्रिपेयर करते हो, अगर उनको नहीं सूट करे तो देन व्हाट टू डू?
See, as I told you, lotion and creams are for every skin type. Body butters we can only give to the person who is having a dry skin. When we can go through with the ingredients knowledge, which ingredient is helpful for which problem. So in this way, you can judge the client's problem and you can add that particular product in your cream for your client. But the client is only face the problem with fragrances and essential oils. So whenever you are adding a fragrance oils and essential oil, you need to mention which fragrance you are using and which essential oil you are using, because people do have a problem with the fragrances. So you need to label it.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
You're welcome. Okay, now let's see. Please mute yourself, guys. Okay, now here are some common chemicals we do find. Are you able to see the screen?
Yes.
Okay, just give me a second. Okay. These are synthetic chemicals and very common chemicals which we do find in market products and which we are not going to use at all in our products.
Madam, I'm not able to see anything.
Just give me a second. Is it now clear?
No, ma'am, it cannot see.
There is a topic common.
Yeah,
common chemical in
that's
lotion.
the only thing is showing in the screen.
Okay.
Okay, so first one, the chemical, which is synthetic chemicals, and we do mainly found in a market products, that is paraben. How paraben works basically? It is used as preservative in cosmetics and pharmaceutical products. What paraben mainly do? It's a preservative. It's a synthetic preservative which harms our skin, body and health as well. Paraben mainly functions to give a good shelf life to your product. So the people do add it in a shampoos as well, commercial moisturizer, shaving gel, suntan products, makeup, toothpaste and many more. So paraben basically used for a preservative purpose ताकि वो अपनी shelf life products की बढ़ा सके. Secondly, we have a diethylamine, that is DEA. What DEA do? Ingredients related to DEA functions as emulsifier or foaming agents in cosmetics or to adjust a product's pH. So what is an emulsifier, guys? Emulsifier is an agent which helps to blend water and oil together. So as we are using a emulsifying wax and other ingredients, I'll let you know for emulsification how market people do. They do use a DEA as well as for foaming agent, like for soap, for shampoo, they do use a DEA because DEA is having a function of emulsifier and a foaming agent. So in the products they do want they do add a water and oil together, so they do add a DEA as well for the emulsification. Apart from that, for soap, for foaming purpose, for face wash, for shampoos, they do add a DEA. Okay, next we have SLS and SLES. Oh god. Okay, so how SLS and SLES works? SLS is a sodium lauryl sulfate and SLS, just give me a second guys, it's disturbing me a lot. Okay, so SLS and SLES. SLS is a sodium lauryl sulfate and SLES is a sodium laureth sulfate. How they works, what's their functions? They both found in lots of everyday health and beauty products as they create cleansing form. Okay, so we do found a products like a face washes, like soaps as well, and face mask as well, which do commits for a cleaning agent, which do commit for deep cleansing as well, for blackheads as well, just because they do have a SLS and SLES in it. So basically they do have a deep cleansing agent in it, so that's why it's recommended. They do add for a blackhead products, for soaps, for shampoos, for hair loss. So for shampoos, definitely we do need to clean our scalp. Okay, so again for deep cleansing they do add a SLS and SLES. For blackhead remover, again we need to clean our skin deeply. Then again for blackhead products you may found face washes for blackheads. Okay, so why they are recommending it for blackhead? Because they are adding a SLS and SLES in their products, because it is having a cleansing agent. Okay, lastly, cosmetic fragrance. Okay, so cosmetic, why cosmetic fragrance? People don't know and people do add a fragrance like खुशबू बहुत अच्छी आनी चाहिए प्रोडक्ट में, काम करे ना करे. So basically cosmetic fragrance, what manufacturing companies are using is very harmful, actually very harmful. These are chemicals that can disrupt your, harm the hormones function in the body, also negatively impact the immune system and the nervous system. So don't focus on the fragrance much while buying your products, or if your clients comes to you with the product, if it's smelling very good and very high amount of fragrance, if you do feel, it's not such a good product to use. Clear till here with the common chemicals as well? Okay. Now next, these are the list of the chemicals which is synthetic chemicals.
Natural fragrances are also harmful?
For the percentage which I have told you, that is 0.1 to 0.5%, till that it's not harmful.
Okay.
Okay, these are the names of chemicals which we do found in a market products, and these are synthetic chemicals which can harm our body. So please keep that in mind. If you are buying a product with these ingredients, it's not good to use for your skin. Okay, now coming to the ingredients overview. So we will learn about the body butters, we will learn about the carrier oils, we will learn about the emulsifiers, preservatives, fragrances. So whatever we are going to use in the preparation of our products, we are take the overview of all such products. Firstly, carrier oil. Okay, please write it in a chat box what you guys think carrier oil is. कैरियर ऑयल क्या होता है? ये तो नाम है कैरियर ऑयल्स के. कैरियर ऑयल क्या होता है? मैंने कैमरा ही नहीं ऑन किया. No. Carrier oil we don't use for the binding purpose. वो तो खुद ही ऑयल है ना.
Oils from plants and fish.
Okay, the person who is written that which carry oil in it like almond. No, it is a vegetable oil based oil. Okay. So yes, it is. Firstly, कैरियर ऑयल क्या होता है? इट इज अ वेजिटेबल बेस्ड ऑयल जो वेजिटेबल से एक्सट्रैक्ट किया जाता है. सेकेंडली, Anita ji had written that which helps to dilute the essential oil. That's a very good reason, because we can't apply essential oils directly to our skin, and carrier oil is the only oil which we can apply directly as well, and which helps other oil to dilute, and we can apply it with the help of carrier oil. That's why we call carrier, we name it as a carrier oil, because it helps to carry other oils to our skin. ओके, कैरियर ऑयल वेजिटेबल ऑयल होता है. कैरियर ऑयल को कैरियर ऑयल बोला क्यों जाता है? क्योंकि कैरियर ऑयल एक ऐसा ऑयल है जो दूसरे ऑयल को भी अपने अंदर डाइल्यूट करके हमारी स्किन पे इजीली कैरी करने में हेल्प करता है. हम एसेंशियल ऑयल को डायरेक्टली अपनी स्किन में कैरी नहीं कर सकते, बट कैरियर ऑयल की हेल्प से अगर हम एसेंशियल ऑयल को कैरियर ऑयल में डाल दें, डाइल्यूट कर दें, तो हम कैरियर ऑयल की हेल्प से हम उसको अपनी स्किन पे लगा सकते हैं. So what is carrier oil? Firstly, carrier oils and essential oils are made from plants. Okay. Carrier oils are used to dilute essential oils and carry them to your skin. As I told you, carrier oil हमें हेल्प करता है एसेंशियल ऑयल को डाइल्यूट करने में और हमारी स्किन में कैरी करने में. मोस्ट कैरियर ऑयल्स आर अनसेंटेड और लाइटली सेंटेड एज वेल. खुशबू हो भी सकती है और हल्की भी हो सकती है. दे मे बी यूज्ड अलोन और विद अदर ऑयल्स टू नरिश योर स्किन. एज आई टोल्ड यू, हम कैरियर ऑयल्स को खाली सिर्फ कैरियर ऑयल भी लगा सकते हैं अपनी बॉडी पे, और किसी और ऑयल के साथ मिक्स करके भी लगा सकते हैं, और हमारी स्किन को ये नरिशमेंट पहुंचाता है. सो जब आप कैरियर ऑयल्स पढ़ोगे डिफरेंट बहुत सारे कैरियर ऑयल्स के डिफरेंट प्रॉपर्टीज होती हैं. तो जब भी आप कैरियर ऑयल लगाओगे, आप चाहते हो लोशन की तरह अगर इसको यूज करना, तो आप डायरेक्ट अपनी बॉडी में आफ्टर अ बाथ कैरियर ऑयल डायरेक्टली अपनी बॉडी में लगा सकते हो. ठीक है, अगर आप लोशन प्रिपेयर करना चाहते हो तो वेल एंड गुड है, बट कैरियर ऑयल individually also helps to nourish our skin. Okay, I'm sending you a link in a chat box. Open up this link, everyone.
Ma'am, I'm not getting the link.
Yet. Not received yet.
Not received. Just give me a second.
Not received, madam.
Just give me a second. Have you received now, everyone?
Yes, I received.
Okay. What it is? What it is, dear?
It all mentioned with the different names of the oils.
Okay, so as like in every profession, we do have a we do recognize with different names. As in BPO, if we are dealing Australian clients, we do change our names for Australian clients. If we have a cricket team, so they do have a numbers to get remembered in their t-shirts. Same like in our industry, our carrier oils, our body butters, and our so many things which we do use in our cosmetics, the internationally nomenclature name is having in the list. So this is the basic name of all the ingredients. So you must need to aware with this, because I know you will not get remember all the names in a single time, even after so many years as well. But at least if the person comes to you and say you, I'm using this cream, so you must know कि वो किस चीज का नाम ले रहा है, because people are very smart if you are even ordering your raw materials from company, they do also use this international nomenclature name instead of normal name of your product. Okay, so you must need to aware that if they are asking something of this kind of things, so you can visit this site and check the name what they are asking for. Okay, avocado oil नहीं बोलेंगे, वो उसका international nomenclature name लेंगे. So you need to aware with these all things. This is small things, but it is very helpful and very mandatory for you guys to need to know. Clear?
Ma'am, I haven't got the link.
Why everyone got the link? Let me send again. I will give the PDF of this link as well if you're not finding that. I have sent it again.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Welcome. Yeah, Meena ji, do you want to say something?
No, madam. No.
Okay. Okay. I hope, guys.
Are these completely?
Yeah.
Are these completely essential oils or carrier oils? I have a small doubt about this.
This is the list of main cosmetic ingredients. It includes some essential oils as well, carrier oils as well. Totally depends.
Okay.
But keep it safe. And one more thing, guys. I will share the recorded sessions and everything. I'm sorry. And just after the session, within 1 or 2 hours, keep it safe with you. If others are not finding it, help them. That's why it's not a logged WhatsApp group, so you guys can help each other. Apart from that, keep the documents like PDF notes, recipes, or some small things if I'm telling you, or PPT or recorded session link somewhere else apart from WhatsApp group. Because if you lost it, if you format your phone, if you lost anything, it's not possible for me to arrange it for you guys again. So keep it safe. It is having a lifetime access. Okay, WhatsApp group is having a lifetime access. Your links will work for lifetime access, and you can only access the session recordings and demonstration videos with the link I will send you. Okay, so keep it safe with you somewhere else in your WordPad, Notepad, or whatever, wherever you want to keep it. Okay, and help others. I hope you guys enjoyed today's session. Is it not?
Yes, ma'am.
That's very informative.
Yes,
very
madam.
nice.
Very
Thank you so
informative.
much.
Okay, please show me your faces because it's a bye-bye time.
Bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Okay, I hope guys you have enjoyed the session. Just please go through with the things again with the notes and everything. Later on, once I'll complete the demonstration, I request you guys, if it's very important for you guys to prepare the product within a week, maximum 10 days. If you will not practice for a single product for 10 days, you will forget everything, and this session will not help you anymore. Okay, so once we end up with the session day after tomorrow, do start the preparation within 7 days. I want your products so that you will keep the things, remember, it motivates others as well and you as well to make a things more. Okay, and with a single time of practice, maybe you will not do things very perfectly, but with the experience you will. Okay, and I'll always there to support you guys on a WhatsApp group. It might takes time, but be patient. I personally not handle a WhatsApp group, but however I'll reply you guys. Okay.
Yeah, ma'am, it's okay. And it's very informative also. But I'm still having a small doubt about the carrier oil and essential oil. I hope it will be cleared in the demonstration class.
Carrier and essential oils we will learn in the ingredients overview only tomorrow.
Yeah, okay.
Ma'am, you will be teaching shampoos also?
This is not a shampoo making session, but we do take a hair care sessions as well.
You will show the sunscreen?
See, sunscreen is totally having a different thing, but yes, I will help you out how you can add SPF properties in your creams.
Madam, what about lip balms and lip care products?
These are the this is the session for skin lotions and everything. for future updates and other sessions, you can follow us on social media platform on our YouTube channel or our Instagram channel. From there, you will get to know. Okay. In this session, we will prepare lotions, creams, and body butters only. Okay.
Madam, I was actually asking for a one-on-one session. I inquired yesterday about it to somebody in your office. And
for which thing, dear?
I actually have a plan to start on with a new brand, madam.
Okay.
So I thought I can just get your help in the formulation of products, from soap making, for everything.
See, the formulation of everything is very difficult, from like creams having a different formulation, lip products having a different formulation. So in simple conversation, I cannot taught you for
Yeah, madam, I'm
everything.
ready to have a class with you.
Yes, but in future for March, we are organizing, obviously we have a hair care session in March, gel making session we have in a March, and we are planning for the lip care session as well. So soonly you will find a lot many other sessions on our Derma Science platform.
Thank you, madam.
You're welcome. Hope you guys enjoyed. Be positive, stay healthy, and have a good day ahead. We will meet tomorrow again at the same time, same place. Goodbye. Bye. Have a very good day and enjoyed a lot with you people.
Bye-bye, ma'am.
Bye.
Bye. We are gonna get the class video, recorded session through the mail, right?
No, on WhatsApp group.
In WhatsApp. Okay.
Be active in a WhatsApp group and help others.
Okay.